Another quick way to freshen up is to change backsplash in the kitchen or redo your tile work into the bathroom. Or perhaps even the fireplace, why not, right? Kitchen backsplash are not that expensive. Labor is very slim because there is not much to do. But the cost that you're gonna have into that is obviously the material. Look, for those 40, 50 square feet, again, talking about medium-sized kitchen, you can go with something a little bit higher. Forget the subway tiles. The basic subway tiles that are white, they gotta go, you guys. Come on, let's retire them. We need to do something that is more exciting. So when you walk into the room, that you feel that buzz, almost like, I don't know, falling in love again, right? It's just this time with your space. If you absolutely must do the rectangular shape that imitates, okay, the subway tile, let's do that to be interesting. Hand-baked, maybe a different colors, maybe having some crackles, maybe having the metallic finishes on it, right? The fading. What about the texture changing, right? Now there is subway tiles that some are totally polished and totally basic, but into the mix, there is also those that have a different texture, right? They can be matte, they can be textured, and it's up to you to throw that matte and texture one every so often into the backsplash. Let's say I have a little bit more money compared to my kitchen. I want to do something. I want my living room to feel like it's brand new. Okay, well, what do we watch the most? We watch the fireplace wall, because 90% of the time the TV is over the fireplace, so we keep looking at it, right? So what you want to do, again, something that is completely different. And when I'm saying different, again, I'm not saying you're gonna go get the purple tile and put the purple tile on a white house. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying dig for textures. Textures can be so much fun. They can be accented or they can be played down, but it's such an easy way to figure out what you like and what you're comfortable with. And remember, the textured tiles, there is those that is in the mix. So less you feel comfortable, use less of them. More you feel comfortable, use more of the textured tile in the pattern. And ultimately, if you feel like you want to be artistic, that's the point. It's not a specific pattern that you have to follow. You make the pattern. You become an artist. Play to be an interior designer for a day or two.